Finish him!
Malica Patrol is back on the hunt for the best lunch in town. And today, we're at Restavracija 123. The place itself, no charm at all. It's strictly for lunch. No fancy decor, no cozy vibes. Straight to business. My rating for the atmosphere? 7. Here, you actually build your own malice, so I went for soup and wanted a chicken cutlet, but they didn't have it. Ended up with sausage and potatoes instead. The whole meal cost me 10 euros. The soup was pretty basic, not rich at all. Felt more like drinking warm water. Rating 5. And the sausage with potatoes? Doesn't look too appetizing, right? Taste-wise, pretty average. I probably didn't pick the best combo, but not bad overall. My rating, 8. So, the final score for Restavracija 123, 6.7 out of 10.